our most numerous mammals in Ireland, it is also the most secretive, which is really quite a shame because they're a joy to watch and they're super playful and even charismatic when they're eating a little glass eel like this fella here. But what has me most taken with them is just how social they are. They're always in contact with one another, popping in and just letting each other know how they're getting on. This seems to be a brief touch, or even so, it can be climbing on top of your sibling's back to get a better look of the strange looking cameraman who's keeping an eye on yous from the bank.